Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to get money from Etoro to my account. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss you the step-by-step guide. And guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So first one that you should do is just simply withdraw the funds to the Etoro money. So guys, in your Etoro investment account, just simply click on the withdraw funds and enter the amount to withdraw. And remember, the minimum will be the $30. And after that, guys, just simply select withdraw to eToro money. So it is a default option. And from there, funds will be transferred instantly. And now from there, guys, just simply transfer your funds to the bank account. So in order for you to do that, just simply go to eToro money application and just simply select payments. And from there, under that, you should be able to see the cash tab. And from there, guys, just simply select the account that you want to send the money to and just simply tap on add to set up a new payee and just simply enter the amount that you want to transfer. And from there, just simply click on continue and then enter the reference and just simply click on send. And from there, guys, it may take up to 2 hours to have the transactions completed successfully. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. And if you do, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.